In today's video, we're going to compare two popular email marketing softwares, MailChimp and ConvertKit. Both platforms offer powerful features to help you manage your email marketing campaigns. But which of these is better for your business? Let's find out. MailChimp is a well-known email marketing platform that offers a wide range of features including email automation, A/B testing, and analytics. It's known for its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing plans. ConvertKit is a more focused email marketing platform that caters to bloggers, authors, and creators. It offers features like visual automation builder, customizable email templates, and advanced segmentation tools. MailChimp is praised for its intuitive user interface, making it easy for beginners to create and manage email campaigns. You can create professional-looking emails from scratch or from customizable templates. The drag-and-drop email builders are easy for beginners, and you can create an email campaign within an hour. ConvertKit's user interface is user-friendly with a focus on simplicity and functionality. It's designed to help creators manage their email creation and campaigns efficiently. Similarly to MailChimp, you can create emails from scratch or from the available templates. MailChimp offers robust email automation features, allowing you to create automated email sequences based on user actions or triggers. It also provides advanced segmentation options to target specific segments of your audience. And at the same time, it also has a variety of lead generation tools, including pop-up forms, embedded forms, and landing pages. This is useful if you want to create marketing campaigns, especially for e-commerce and so forth. ConvertKit is known for its visual automation builder, which makes it easy to create complex email sequences. It also offers advanced segmentation tools to help you target your audience more effectively. On the other hand, ConvertKit's lead generation tool focuses on simplicity and effectiveness. It also includes customizable forms that can be embedded on your website or hosted on ConvertKit itself. Best of all, it offers a range of form templates to choose from. MailChimp offers a free plan for up to 1,000 subscribers. Of course, you have the option to pay, starting with the Essential plan, which is free for 1 month, and the subscription fee of $15 per month in the following months. The pricing increases based on the number of subscribers for MailChimp. Similarly to MailChimp, ConvertKit also offers free subscription for up to 1,000 subscribers. And of course, if you're a creator who are automating your work, you pay $9 per month for up to 300 subscribers, or the Creator Pro plan, which is $25 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. MailChimp offers email and chat support for all users, along with a knowledge base and resources to help you get started and up and running with your email marketing campaigns. MailChimp also provides regular webinars and tutorials to help guide your email creation and campaigns effectively. ConvertKit also offers email support for all users. They also have a community forum where users can ask questions and share tips, and you can also view articles which can help you along the way and talk to a product specialist to solve all your issues. Both MailChimp and ConvertKit are excellent email marketing platforms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Both MailChimp and ConvertKit offer a range of features that cater to different needs, so the best platform depends on your specific requirements. In summary, ConvertKit's free plan offers more in terms of subscriber count and basic features, making a better choice for those looking to start with an audience and also to access some of the features like uh, forms and also lead generation tools. ConvertKit may be suitable for smaller businesses or creators looking for a simpler email marketing solutions. However, if you're a blogger or creator looking for basic features, then it might be suitable for you to choose MailChimp. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Let me know which email marketing platforms do you use for your small businesses down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, subscribe for more tips, reviews and guides. Till then, I'll see you again.